Hello, and welcome. So I am Jedaidah Chilufya-Scalessa. I am a scientist, a mentor, and a toddler mom. So if you are a parent, an educator, a school leader, STEM coordinator, a library, or community organization, you may be looking for meaningful ways to engage your students, build their confidence, and prepare them for future success. Well, through hands-on STEM research workshops and research experiences, I help students develop critical thinking skills, problem solving, communication, leadership, and resilience while working on real scientific questions and projects. So, my goal is to help make STEM research, STEM work accessible, simple, engaging, and inspiring for every student, regardless of their background or previous research experiences. So, whether you're looking for a one-time STEM workshop or a STEM enrichment program or research mentorship opportunities, including presentation of their research in posters or publication of their research in a academic journal, I love to help your students discover and develop their potential and explore exciting pathways in science and research. Thank you so much for visiting, and I look forward to connecting with you.